Hey, and welcome to the Techie Admin channel. Today I want to show you a few Windows shortcuts that will save you a ton of time. So the first thing I want to show you is how to quickly locate a file or a program just right from your start menu. So what you can do is click on this, or you can also hit the Windows key in your keyboard and just start typing. So for example, if I'm looking for a recipe that I don't even know where I've put it, then this is the fastest way to find it, and here it shows up right away. And also, for example, I want to show you a little tool called Snip and Sketch. So if you just type it in, it will show up, click on it, and it's open. The next thing I want to show you is how to quickly pin it to your taskbar so you don't have to look for it every time if it's something that you frequently use. So what you do is you just go over here where the little icon is, right click on it, and you can go over here and say pin to taskbar. So now, even if I close it, it's still always going to be there, so I don't have to go searching for it every single time. So what is this Snip and Sketch tool? It's basically the replacement for the snipping tool. If you've ever used it, it's just over here. And I got a little window pop up saying that it's going away, so this is the new tool. So I thought, okay, I'll download that, and it's a free app. So this is how it works. You can click on New, and it will give you a little cursor so you can take a screenshot of anything on your screen. Once that is there, you can either hit the save button, or did you know if you press Ctrl and S at the same time, it will also give you a window where you can save your file. So let's just call this a screenshot, the Techie Admin, and hit save. Okay, so what has happened before is that sometimes I save a file and I'm like, okay, well, where did I save it? And I actually have no idea. So once again, you would use the same function I just showed you, where you go in here and you say the Techie Admin, and here it is. I can find the file right away. What I can also do is, if you hover over it, you will see the path to eventually get to that file, or you can click here, right click on it, and it will say Open File Location. So what that does is it opens up the actual location of the file. You can see here's it's in the pictures folder, and what you can also do, which is really neat, for certain files you may not always want to go searching for them every time. So what you can do is, if you right click, you can create a shortcut, and then if you want to put that shortcut, say, on your desktop, you just drag it over there, and then if that's an important file you want to access every day, then this is the fastest way to get there. So just double click on that and it will open it right up. That's all for today. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks!